Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of Google Shopping Feeds for Magento 2, and in today's video tutorial we'll be showing you how the admin can configure the module in the first place. So we'll be taking you to the Google Shopping Feeds for Magento 2 backend configuration within the Magento 2 web shop. So let me take you ahead and let me show you how the admin would be able to configure this particular extension from the backend. So here I have already logged into my Magento 2 web store backend, and I'll be navigating through stores and then configuration, and thereafter under the configuration section you'll find the web cool block, and under the web cool block you'll find the Google Shopping Feeds menu option here. Now on the right hand side we have two different settings. One is the general settings and the other one is the default configurations for this particular extension. So what we'll be doing is we'll be entering the consumer key and the consumer secret key that we have generated at the console.developers.google, or the client ID and the client secret that we have generated. We'll be putting them up here. So what I'll do, I'll just enter those up. So I've entered the client ID under the consumer key, and I've entered the client secret under the consumer secret, and now I'll hit the save configuration button to save both of these keys there. And here you can see that the configuration has been saved successfully. So after that here we have an option to authenticate the user. So what we can do is we can hit the authenticate user, and this would bring up this pop-up, and here you need to select your same Gmail account and then grant the permission by clicking the allow button. So here you need to hit the allow button, and after the page refreshes you can see that the authenticate user shows authenticated. Will show the option as authorized. So you can see that the Google Merchant Center account has been successfully authorized, and our settings have also been saved. So that was the first section for the general settings. We entered the consumer key and the consumer secret and authenticated the particular user. After that we have a button for exporting to the Google shop. If we hit this button, all of the products that we have in our catalog would be exported into the Google Merchant account. So we'll just leave that for now, and let's go to the default configuration settings and let's see what different options we have here for the default configurations for this extension. So the very first option that we have is the default category. So here you need to indicate the category of your item based on the Google product taxonomy, and categorizing your products helps ensure that your ad is shown with the right search results. So you need to select the default category for your items at the Google Merchant account. So for that you can select the Google product taxonomy, and you can check the different taxonomies that are available there. After that we have the weight unit. Here you need to enter the weight unit that you are using for your store. It will be applicable on the items on Google Feeds. So you need to enter the particular weight unit that you will be using for your products that would be sent on to Google Feeds. After that we have the age group, and here we need to select the target age group of the items on Google Feeds. So you need to select whether you are targeting an adult, infant, kids, newborn or toddlers. Whichever group you are targeting, you need to select that up. So we are selecting the age group as adult for this particular option. Then we have the product available for option. Here we need to select the target gender of the item on Google Feeds. So you can select the product is available for male, female or unisex, whatever the option there is for that particular product. So select your target gender of the item on the Google Shopping Feeds. Then we have the product condition. You can select it as new, refurbished or used as per the state of your respective product. Then we have the tax rate. So here you need to enter the tax rate in percentage of the item on the Google Shopping Feeds. So enter the tax rate that would be in percentage of the item on the Google Shopping Feeds. And lastly we have the option to tax apply on ship. So here select global or as product, whatever option you feel is correct. And lastly, you can save the configuration settings once again. So the configuration settings have been saved. So that was much about the general configuration settings that need to be done. So we have shown how to enter the client ID and the client secret in the admin backend, how to authenticate the user, and we have shown the default configuration settings that are required for this extension to work correctly and the Google product feeds there. So that was much about this configuration settings. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.